I would like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 45 for grade 3 mathematics, and we are actually practicing for multiplication and division. Yesterday we practiced for multiplication by partition method and by simple multiplication as well. So we were in question number 2C, and that was 29 multiplied by 2, right guys? So in 29 there are two numbers, 2 and 9. So how to do a partition method, how to multiply by using partition method? I will have to check the value of this 2. So for that I will check its place. So 9 is on the ones place and 2 is on the tens place. So because 2 is on the tens place, that's why 2 is having the value of 20 here, right? Why 2 is having the value of 20? Because 2 is on the tens place. If you remember, we practiced a lot for this thing in the topic, in the first topic, that was 100 tens and ones, right? Then come to the second one. What is the value of this? 9. This the 9 value is also 9. 9 value is same, and 9 value is 9. Why? Because 9 is at ones place, so it doesn't change. I show you here. I can write 29 like this. I can write like 20 plus 9. This is the expanded form and this is the standard form. So I can write standard, I can make a expanded form from a standard form. How? Because this 2 is having the value of 20, so I write 20 plus this 9 is having the value of 9. If I add these two numbers, so I will get 29. Okay, but what I'm going to do here, I'm going to multiply this 29 by 2. So because I am multiplying 29 by 2, so I can multiply 20 by 2 also here, and add 9 multiplied by 2 also. Don't need to write anything. This was the yesterday work. I'm just revising. So 29 multiplied by 2 means I can multiply this 20 by 2 also, plus I can multiply this 9 by 2 also. Okay, so 29 multiplied by 2 will be equal to what? 20 multiplied by 2 equals to 2 multiplied by 2, 4, and I will write 0, 1, 0 on the right side, because whenever you multiply any number by a number which is having 0 on the ones place, you just multiply the number and write the 0 on the right side, plus 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18, 40 plus 18 equals to 58. So the answer will be 58. In that way you can solve it. Okay, so this was C. Now we will do D, 346 by 4. Let's start to solve D, and you have to help me guys in D. This is 346 multiplied by 4. Whether you do simple multiplication or you do by partition method, the answer should be same. Okay, it is 346 by 4. It is 346 by 4. So you can write 346 in how many ways? Can you expand 346? Yes. How can you write? Ahmad Jibrail,
What, sir?
can you tell me how to expand 346? How can I write 346?
It's we can
Tell,
300 plus
yes,
40 plus 6.
exactly. For expanding, guys, you need to write the values. This is 3. What is the value of 3 here?
300.
300. Very good. Don't need to write anything right now. Plus,
Inside this?
yes. No, don't need to write now. What is the value of 4 here, guys? This
40.
40. Very good. And what is the value of 6?
6.
6. Why 3 is having the value of 300? Because
Because
3
it's at
is
100 place.
exactly, because 3 is in 100 place. Why 4 is having the value of 40?
Because it's at 10th place.
Very good. And why 6 values remain same?
Because it's one's place.
Exactly. Right, guys?
How we will do 346 multiplied by 4 in partition method? In partition
In-
method.
I will tell you. I will tell you in the same way like we did above. Okay. In the same way we will do multiplication. All right. Now I'm going to close your mic, Ahmad.
We will do 300 multiplied by 2 and 40 multiplied by 2 and 6 multiplied by 2.
Exactly. We will multiply 4 by separately. 300, then 40, then 6 also.
Okay.
It might be difficult for you, but don't worry. This is just for practice. This is just to let you know how the partition method works. Okay. Yes, guys. This is 346 now. And I tell you how you can separate it. This is 3. So you can write it 300 plus 40 plus 6 multiplied by 4. So because all numbers are multiplied by 4, so I can write here 300 multiplied by 4 plus 40 multiplied by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 4. In this way I can multiply 300 multiplied by 4, 40 multiplied by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 4. Because 300 plus 40 plus 6 equals to 346. This is the value of 3, this is the value of 4, and this is the value of 6. I expanded this form. I expand this 346 in 300 plus 40 plus 6, and I multiply all numbers separately by 4. So guys, now this is 300 and this is 4. So very easy. Whenever you are multiplying any number which is having 2 zeros, 1 0 or 3 0, it is very easy to multiply. Just multiply this 4 to this 3. Just multiply this 4 to the number 3. 4 multiplied by 3 equals to, yes guys, 4 multiplied by 3 equals to,
12.
yes, 12. Very good. So I will write 12 here. Don't need to worry. Make it simple.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 12. Now how many zeros are there? 2. Add 2 zeros on the right side here. Like this. Multiply 4 by 3, 12, and write 2 zeros on the right side. Inshallah, we will practice this too. Now, this is 40 multiplied by 4. So there is 1 0. So just multiply 4 to 4. 4 multiplied by 4 equals to, just multiply this 4 to this 4. Okay. Yes, 4 multiplied by 4 equals to, guys. 4 multiplied by 4 equals to
16.
very good, very good. So just write 16 here. And because in 40, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. Write 1 0. Who did not understand?
Me.
What's your name?
Abdulaziz.
Abdul Aziz, what you did not get?
This one, I did not understand this one.
Multiplication or this method? How I
Method.
multiply? No, you did not get how I am multiplying 40 by 4. You did not get this, or you don't know how to write this form.
No, I understand how to write it, but I don't know, understand it.
You don't know how to multiply it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, guys, for you. Okay, Abdulaziz, close your mic, please. Now,
Okay.
he is confused, guys, how to multiply. So I am repeating. If you are multiplying any number which is having 1 0 or 2 0, believe me, it is very easy to multiply. Because you just need to multiply a number. Here, there was 3 and this is 4. So I just multiply 4 by 3. 4 1 4, 4 2 8, and 4 3 12. I write 12 here. And I check how many zeros were there with the 3. So there were 2 zeros. So on the right side of 12, I put 2 zeros. Okay, in that way. Same here. When I comes to 40, so I just multiply the numbers. This is 4 and this is also 4. 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 4 3 12 and 4 4 16. I write 16 and add 1 0. Now I come here and this is, there is no 0, so I just multiply 4 by 6 and that becomes 24. Now what we need to do, we have to add this 1200 plus 160 plus 24. And then you have to write the answer. How do you write it? It's 4 plus 0 plus 4 equals 2. Yes, guys. Can you add it? 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 2.
Sir, I found it. 1,384.
4. Okay. 6 plus 2 equals, guys. Guys, whatever I'm asking, please answer me. 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals to 4. Now please tell me, 6 plus 2 equals to? Yes. 8.
Please leave the mic open for me.
Okay. Now 2 plus 1 equals to? And 1. Guys, this is 1 and there is no more thousand value here. This is only 1 plus 0 plus 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 equals to?
1.
So the answer is?
1,384.
The answer is?
184.
Very good. The answer is 1384. Okay. I can write directly here answer, that is 1384, and this is just to make you understand how it is added. Okay. So because 1200 is a bigger number, I write 1200 first, then 160, then 24. Remember guys, whenever you are adding this, always check the ones value should be in the same row, in the same column, the tens value should be in the same column, and hundreds value should be in the same column, same as for thousand. If I write this 160 here, if I write 1 here, if I write 160 from here, so the answer can be changed. We cannot write it. Why? Because we have to place the ones on the ones, tens on the tens, and hundreds on the hundreds. So this 0, this 0, these 4, these all are ones values, so I place them in one column. This 0, this 6, and this 2, these all are tens value, that's why I place them in a one column, means one line. And this 2 and this 1, they both are 100 values, so I place them in one line. And there is only 1000 value, so that is separate with these numbers. Okay, so the answer is 1384. So is it correct answer, guys? 1384. Yes. Kindly check the answer. Is it correct? 346 multiplied by 4 equals to 384.
Yes, sir. Yes, it's correct. It's correct.
Okay, very good. Very good. Any problem, guys, now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Keep our mics open.
So now this means now you can do multiplication by partition method also, and by simple multiplication method also, right?
Okay. Right.
Okay,
And this is by partition method and non-partition method.
this is now 528 multiply by, no,
Leave, leave the mic open for me. I am Abdul
yes, tell me the answer fast. 528 multiplied by 3, solve it and tell me answer.
Please leave the mic open for
Partition method
me.
and
I am Abdul.
Any method, you can use any method, whatever is easy for you.
wait.
Guys, listen to me carefully. This is 528 multiplied by 3. Multiply 528 by 3 in your notebook. Any method you can use. You can use partition method. You can use simple multiplication method, and solve it and tell me the answer. I'm going to open all of your mics, okay? But you don't need to make a noise. Solve it, then tell me the answer. I know the answer, okay? Tell me fast. Your mic is open now. 528 multiplied by 3.
1 minute.
528 multiplied by 3.
5 500 because 5
Five.
is 100 place. Sir,
Don't speak up. Only solve and answer me.
sir, can you not tell the
Guys, again and again, I am telling you, don't need to make a noise. I am opening your mic because I want to know who is going to solve first. But don't make noise. Solve it by yourself and tell me the answer. Yes. If anyone solves, tell me. 528 multiplied by 3.
I solved it, I think. 5,000.
And listen, guys, before telling the answer, tell me your name. Sir, I am Muhammad. My answer is this. Like this. I am Muhammad. My answer is this. In that way. Okay, guys. Now.
I am Ahmed Jibril.
Okay.
Riyad Ghali.
One by
Riyad Ghali.
wait. One by one.
The first Ahmed Jibril.
And it's 5,028.
No.
I
Not
am
5,000.
My answer is
I am Ahmed Jibril.
Wait,
Ahmed Jibril, wait.
1,500. The answer 500 multi 20.
Guys, I'm going to open the chat. You can send your answers in the chat.
Okay. Write Ahmed Jibril.
Yes, chat is open. Please write the answers. I will see who will write the answer first.
Ahmed Jibril by answer or after the answer.
9,000. No, Hamza wrong. Hamza wrong. 528 multiplied by 3. Ahmad Muhammad. Ahmad Jibrail. Ahmad Jibrail, no. Ahmad Jibrail, wrong. Jihad Muhammad, good. Ahmad Muhammad and Jihad Muhammad. They are the one who now Ahmad Usama. Ammar Khalid, wrong. Amro, good. 1584. Hams, wrong. 1569 is not the answer. Yes, Ahmad Jibrail. Now you are right. 1584.
15.
Guys, 1545. 1584. Ahmad Awal. Good. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. So, guys, okay, Ahmad Jibrail, I have read your message. Ahmad Muhammad and Jihad Muhammad Najib.
Can you teach me why it is not 2024?
Okay, I'll tell you, guys. One thing that who first tell me the correct answer, that was Ahmad Muhammad and Jihad Muhammad, right? And Ahmad Jibrail and some of the students, they are asking for the solution of this. So I'm going to solve it. I will solve it by a simple addition, a simple multiplication method for you first. Okay. So this is 100 tens and ones. Look here, Ahmad Jibrail. Even I will take your help to solve it. This is 528 by 3. Yes, guys. So in 528, how many hundreds are there? In 528, how many hundreds are there?
12.
How many tens? 2. And
2.
how many how many ones? 8.
I want to do
Multiply by 3.
open for me. I am Abdul Ghaffar.
Sir, I do it with partition method and I got 2024.
Okay, now 3 multiplied by 8 equals to?
You multiplied by 8.
Okay.
Yes, guys. 3,
21.
write 4 here and 2 here. Okay, guys. Now 3 multiplied by 2 equals to?
6.
6 plus 2 equals to?
6.
6 plus 2 is?
12.
6 plus 2 equals to 8. Yes. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now, can you tell me 3 multiplied by 5 equals to what?
15.
3 multiplied by 5. Yes, guys. 3 multiplied by 5.
15.
15. So the answer is? Answer is?
1084.
Very good.
Can you do it with partition?
Okay. I can do it with the partition method too also. Check here. This is 528. How can I write 528? I can write 500 plus 20 plus 8. Okay, like this. So I'm going to multiply 500 by 2. 3, because we have to multiply whole number by 3. So 500 by 3 plus 500 by 20 by 3 plus 8 by 3. Let me check here. This is 5. 5 is on the 100 place, so its value is 500. I multiply 500 by 3 plus this is 2, its value is 20. I multiply 20 by 3, and this is 8, its value is 8, and I multiply 8 by 3. This. Okay. Now I put a bracket so that I know what I need to do first. 3 multiplied by 5. 3 multiplied by equals to 415, and I will write 2 zeros here. It's 500 plus 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. I will write 1 0 on the right side because there is 1 0 in 20 plus 8 3 24. Now if you add 1500 plus 60 and plus 24. So you will get the answer 1584. You can add it. Okay. This 4, this 0 and this 0, 4. Now 2 plus 6, 8. 5 as it is because there is no more 100 value except 5, and 1 as it is. I hope it is clear to you guys. Yes, it is clear to you?
Sir, can you write 1,500
Yes, sir.
and down 60 and
Yes,
down?
Okay, wait. Yes, guys, do you understand it?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Yes, sir. I understand it.
Very good.
The mic for me. I am Abdul Ghaffar.
It is now
Okay.
clear.
Very good. So guys, keep practicing for this multiplication by partition method also, and simple multiplication also, because this is very important. Multiplication and division are the very important tool for mathematics. If you have good grasp on multiplication and division, then you will feel very comfortable and easy to solve math questions. Now I'm going to share my another screen with you, and we are going to learn a little bit about division. And in the next class, or in the upcoming classes, we will do more work on division.
Sir,
Yes.
how many until the period finished, please?
7-8 minutes remaining, I think.
78?
No, 7-8 minutes left, I think.
7 or 8 minutes left?
Yes. I'm going to share my screen. Abdulaziz, close your mic. How do you open your mic?
Like every time I do this.
Okay. Yes, guys. If I ask you to divide, I tell you the simple method to divide, and we will do practice, inshallah, also for this division.
Okay.
Abdul Ghaffar, close your mic. Let's suppose if I ask you to divide write a question here. 87 divided by 3. 87 divided by 3. This is the division sign. Yes. I should make it bigger for you. It is 87 divided by 3. So you have to divide 87 by 3. So this is, I'm going to make, this is the division sign. Okay. So what you write here the number which you have to divide. Like I have to divide here 87. So I'm going to write 87 here. And here you write the number by which you are dividing. Like you are dividing here by 3. So you are going to write 3 here. Okay. So this is 87 and this is 3. I'm going to make it bigger for you. $14. And this is also, I make it 14. Sure. Now, how you have to divide, guys? You will check the table of 3. You will check the table of 3 up to how many times you read the table of 3 in order to get 87. So it is difficult for you to directly go for 87. So just check for the first number. Check for the first number. Is 8 come in the table of 3? Yes, guys. 8 comes in the table of 3 or not?
No!
No. Okay. Now you know 8 doesn't come in the table of 2. Now tell me any number which is very near and less than 8 comes in the table of 3. Check the table of 3, number which is less than 8. If 8 doesn't come, go for less than. And it should be near. Yes, 313. Check the number and tell me. 6. 36. Very good. Guys, don't need to write this in the notebook. Just look at just look here. The answer is 6. And how many times you read the table of 2 in order to get 6? Yes, 3 multiplied by what number will give you 6? Yes, guys. Very good. 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6. So what you are going to do, you will write 2 here and you will write 2 here. This is going to be your answer. 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6. Okay. It's not equal to 7. It's equals to 6. So now you're going to minus. Now, this is 6. So you first minus this 6 from this 8. What you have to do? You have to minus this 6 from this 8. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. You write this 2 here. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Now 2 doesn't come in the table of 2. 2 doesn't come in the table of 2. So what you will do, you will drop down this 7 here. This 7 was here. Now you will write this 7 here. Okay. So it will become 2 and 7. It will become now 27. Now check the table of 3. In the table of 3, 27 comes. Yes, in table of 3, 27 comes. Check the table of 3. How many times? How many times? How many times you read the table of 3 in order to get 27? How many times you read the table of 3 in order to get 27? 3 multiplied by what number will give you 27?
7.
9. 3 multiplied by 9. The answer is 3 multiplied by 9. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 3 multiplied by 6, 18. 3 multiplied by 7, 21. 3 multiplied by 8, 24. And 3 multiplied by 9 equals to 27. So you will add 9 here and you will write down also 27. Now 27 minus 27 equals to 0. So when you minus 27 and 27, the answer will be 0. So there is no remainder now. This will become 0. Okay. So this is called quotient. This 29 is called quotient. And this 3 is, this 0 is called remainder. Can make it different color. This 0 is remainder and this is quotient. So you have quotient here, that is 29, and you have remainder, that is 0. So that's mean 3 multiplied by 29 will give you 87. So 87 divided by 3 equals to actually 29. In this way you can solve it. Okay. How you have to solve it? For 87, first you check the 8. Does 8 come in the table of 3? So it is no. 3, 1, 3, 3, 2, 6 and 3, 3, 9. Okay, then check the nearest number which is less than 8. So it's 6. How many times you read the table of 3 in order to get 6? 2 times. So 3, 2, 6. Now you have to subtract this number because you did not get this number. Now you have to subtract it. 8 minus 6 equals to 2 and you drop down this 7 here. It becomes now 27. Now check the table of 3 whether 27 comes in the table of 3 or not. So 3 9 times will give you 27. And then 27 minus 27 equals to 0. When you get this 0 in the answer, that's mean division is finished. This is your quotient and this is remainder. It's not necessary that you always have remainder 0. Sometimes you have remainder 1, 2 like this. Okay guys, I hope you understand. We'll practice more inshallah for this. Your class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.